I've lost over 200 pounds and I'm at Sam's Club. We're gonna go in and do a haul of some of my must-haves and favorites and see what new things we can find. Definitely need these. They're made with chicken breast, egg whites, and bone broth. Super delicious, perfect paired with cottage cheese. One of my favorite protein chips. Popcorn is always a great high volume, low calorie snack. To be kidding me, guys, look what they have now. The Bloom Energy Drink variety packs, 18 of these, peach, mango, raspberry, lemon, strawberry, watermelon. I'm gonna get mom some. Oh wow, look at these guys. Pepperoni beef sticks. 0 sugar, 45 calories a stick, 4 grams of protein. Yum. Hey, you Harry Potter lovers, butter beer skinny pop. This is hilarious. Last time I asked about these clean bars, some people said yay, some people said nay. Have you tried them since I asked? This is literally the best keto bread. I'm obsessed with it. This bread's pretty good too. And I have not had the extreme wellness wraps in forever. Do you guys like them? Let me know. I definitely am gonna stock up on these little 0 net carb tortillas. They're the perfect size. Love the Quest protein chips. I don't know if I like this flavor. I wish they had the ranch ones in here because I would buy this. Is the chili lime a good flavor? I'm not usually a lime person, but I do love the Quest protein muffins. Just pop these in the microwave. Put a little whipped cream on them. I'm telling you, they're so good. And then they have the Premier Protein Lemon Bar Protein Shakes. I don't know if I want a 15 pack. I've not tried them yet. Do you guys like them or no? Let me know. I found some gummy bears by Atkins. Less than 1 gram of sugar, 2 grams net carbs, and 35 calories per serving. I hope they're good, but I hope they don't hurt my tummy. And my husband loves the Built Puff bars, so I picked up a pack of these for him. I have been wanting a chicken burger, and look what I found. Tex-Mex style chicken burgers with cheddar cheese, roasted corn, and jalapeno peppers. Definitely getting these. These are just quick and easy go-to beef and chicken. Make great fajitas out of them. And Lazy Girl meals over here. I've had these chicken breasts and I really like them. Fully cooked, perfect and easy. I have been on a sharp cheddar cheese kick. I don't know why, but I'm gonna get some of these. Holy cow, you guys. I found these chicken mini links and you can have 3 of these for 120 calories. That'd be great paired with some eggs. Anybody buy like the pre-made meals here at Sam's Club? They always look so delicious. Let me know if you've had them and if they're any good. Which ones are your favorite? I mean, look at this. These always look so stinking good. I think I might have to get these. I'm kind of lazy and don't feel like making my own, but look at all these meals. Like, it's insane. I think I'm gonna get this Cobb salad, you guys. And I think I'm gonna get these sun-dried tomato chicken pinwheels for my husband. That's code for I wanna try them. And I really do like this chicken. I've had it before. Oh my gosh, the shrimp look beautimous. And the sushi, ma'am, I just want it all. And my husband loves the 0 sugar sweet tea by Gold Peak, so I'm gonna get him a pack of this. And we drink a ton of Gatorade Zero, so I'm gonna get a variety pack of watermelon splash, glacial cherry, and apple burst. The apple is my favorite. And I really do think that these are a dupe for Chick-fil-A's grilled chicken nuggets. Look at this teriyaki salmon with pineapple salsa flavored butter on it. Does that now sound so good? It's a little up there, but it looks yummy. I've always wondered if those salmon bites are any good. They sound so yummy. Oh, they have a huge pack of the Egg Life wraps. Roasted garlic and herb. I've not had that one. These are perfect. 11 grams of protein and less than 60 calories. There's 16 wraps in here. Perfect.